Donna, Zanetti, Italian cooking and travel. So I'm going to prepare it to you today, a specialty of Venetian trout fish, which is we experienced eating there in Venetia during our visit with my husband. So this is our ingredients. We have a whole trout fish, lemon, sage, thyme, parsley, garlic, olives, capers, potato, tomato with rosemary herbs, and salt and pepper, olive oil. And this is easy, healthy, and you can do it at your home. So for sure you're going to enjoy it. And this is Donna Zanetti, Italian cooking and travel only. This is our finished product of Trota Veneziana al Forno, which is a trout fish. We'll put it in the oven for 40 minutes, and so fast, easy, and healthy. And ciao! Hope you enjoy it.